You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this useful expression from French, meaning not bad. You know, when you say somebody, yeah, what you did is not bad, really not bad, or what you're saying is not bad, good attempt. Pas mal. It's literally what it means, pas mal. Pas is not, mal is bad or evil also. But in this case it means pas mal. It means not bad. Pas mal is how to say somebody, yeah, that's not bad. Somebody serves you a plate of food, for example. You can say, is it good? Pas mal. Not bad. Pas mal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.